Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. How to clear Windows Update cache and fix Windows Update error. For rectifying this issue, we need to run some command. So I have already created some batch file. This batch file is for stop the services. Run as administrator. Hit enter. Now all the services Windows Update related is stopping now. Then you can go to this folder which is in my description box. You can check it out and you can delete all those files inside that. Then go back little and clean this one also, and clean whatever is inside this one also. Then you start the services again, right click and click yes and press continue. Now the services are started. Now you can check whether your problem are rectified or not. These batch files are in my description box. You can download that. If your problem persisting, then you need to run another command. Press Windows X, then run the Windows shell with admin rights. You need to use one command, this one, which is also in my description box. You can check, hit enter, and then restart your PC and check your problem will resolve. Okay, you can try in your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.